the beginning too, even if you don't have kids, if you're a working gal and don't have a lot of time, if you enjoy your sleep, this tutorial also will be super helpful for you. Hi YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. Give you a big hug. So as you can see, I'm still in my pajamas. I just got out of bed a little while ago. Oh no. I have my baby monitor here. Penelope is still sleeping and she was just stirring. So what I'm gonna do today is do a very realistic, quick mom makeup look. Since having a baby, I do not have as much time as I used to put on makeup, if I do put on makeup. If you're a mama and can relate, pop a bottle emoji in the comment section, or if you're on your PC, write the word bottle. That way we all won't feel alone. But anyways, I'm just gonna be doing a real-time makeup tutorial. I'm not gonna cut anything out. That way you can see realistically how long it takes me to do this quick face of makeup. You can do it while your baby is still sleeping. All products will be listed in the description box, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a voiceover or not. Might be a voiceover, or maybe I'll just play some music and put pictures of the products I'm using. We'll find out together what I end up doing. But yeah, let's get going. So for foundation, I'm going to be going in with my IT Cosmetics CC cream. I love this for every day. It's just light, yet it still kind of evens out your skin tone, covers up your redness, and it has SPF 50, I believe, so that's always good for your skin as well. I don't know, they always say, oh, wear sunscreen. But I'm just using my Sigma F80 flat kabuki brush. This is my favorite foundation brush, so I'll link that down below for you as well. For concealer, I'm using my OG Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I feel like I just cannot find another concealer that's light enough for everyday wear. Oh, Penelope, do you like that concealer too? I don't know if you guys heard that, but it's light enough for everyday wear, but it does cover up those circles. So to set that, I'm just going to go in with my Neutrogena Healthy Skin Pressed Powder. This has actually been my go-to setting powder lately. You guys know me, I like products that have ingredients that are good for your skin. So yeah, and this one does the job. It sets it nicely, keeps it set for the day. For bronzer, I know you guys have seen me use this a bajillion times, but this is just such a good bronzer. It's a Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, the original one, and this F20 Sigma brush just makes it so easy to kind of just brush it all over your face, quick and easy. Also, I know summer's over, but this bronzer just smells like you're on a beach in Hawaii. I'm also going to take that same bronzer. I'm not going to dip into a eyeshadow palette. Getting that out and deciding which shades to use takes time, and I don't have that time at this particular time today. Well, the day that I was recording this. But I'm also just going to grab a Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush and pop some of that on my lid just to kind of almost contour my eyes, not necessarily to do eyeshadow, but just give myself some shape. For brows, I'm just going to use my favorite BH Cosmetics HD Brow Pencil. Oh, you like that pencil too, Penny girl? But this shade, the blonde shade, has been so hard to find in Ulta. So recently I have switched to the NYX Micro Brow Pencil just because this BH Cosmetics one is so hard to find. Oh yeah. But I'm not full on doing my brows here. I'm just kind of filling them in, evening them out, and basically just doing my version of a natural brow. Now to set those puppies, I've been really liking the e.l.f. Wow Brow Gel. It supposedly has little fibers in it. Well, it actually does. But it's not too much to where it's hard to work with, if that makes any sense. So quick and easy, just gonna run that through my brows, make them look even more natural and fluffy. Now I'm just going to give my lashes a little curl. My natural lashes stick straight down. So I don't know if you guys can hear Penelope in the back, but she's giggling. You think it's funny mommy has straight eyelashes? And then for mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Mega Plush Waterproof Mascara. So if you have straight lashes as well, that's a little trick that I've been doing for years is I use waterproof mascara. And I like this Maybelline one in particular because it doesn't make your lashes crunchy. The plush formula is nice and movable, moldable, if you will. So I'm just putting one layer of mascara. Geez, I've never realized how much I curl my eyelashes. And then while that first coat is drying, I'll just go ahead and apply some highlighter. So I like to use the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Lunch Money. Again, I've been using this highlighter for years. It just gives a perfect dewy glow, and because the formula is kind of like a putty, almost like a solid putty consistency, it's not quite a solid, but it's not quite a liquid, so it just gives a very natural look. So hit the cheekbones, the nose, the inner corner, just anywhere where I want to give myself a little extra glow. That's another trick that can really make you look put together for not investing a lot of time, is popping some highlighter on. So now I'm going to go back and re-curl my eyelashes. I know a lot of people say not to do that once you put mascara, but again, it's something I've done since I was in high school, which was like almost 10 years ago. That's not funny. So yeah, we're just putting layer number 2 on after curling. And then I'm also going to hit my lower lash line as well. That's another good trick to use waterproof, is it will not smudge as quickly on your bottom lashes. Another little trick is to use a lip plumper. I don't know, something about just having fresh plumper lips just, I don't know, makes you look more put together, I guess. I don't know. Gives me a little extra confidence. So here I'm using the sorry for all the background noise, guys, but I'm using the Nubian lip plumping lip gloss, and this one's really, really good. I also really like the Grande Lips one, and you could totally leave it at this, but for the sake of the tutorial, I'll go ahead and put a colored lip gloss over top. I'm using the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie, which is the perfect nude shade. And what I like about this formula, the NYX Butter Gloss, is it kind of fades nicely. It gives you a little color, but it doesn't clump up and just yeah, so I put that over top. So here's another little trick, guys. If you don't have a lot of time to get ready in the morning, braid your hair before you go to bed, and then when you take it out the next morning, you have nice wavy hair. I will, since I'm done with the makeup, I will fast forward this part. Alrighty guys, literally perfect timing. Penelope is just waking up. So that is the whole tutorial. I haven't even checked my camera. I'm not sure how long total that took me, but pretty fast, pretty easy, and I don't know if you guys can hear it. But you look put together, you look ready for the day, you have a little confidence, and we did that all while baby is still sleeping. Thank you guys so much for taking some time out of your day to come by. I hope this was helpful for you. Hit that like button if you did find this helpful. I really appreciate it, and I will catch you in my next video.